In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your FPV video go from this to this. We're going to be removing that shadow using After Effects. I got the idea from this video from the situation that I'm in right now, but more on that later. Let's get started. We're going to start by importing our footage into After Effects. This is the original video that I have. You can see the shadow at the very bottom. I did my best to avoid having the shadow in frame, but it didn't exactly work out like that as I rotated around Captain, who is the mascot of the Texas Rangers. We're going to go into Window and make sure that we have Content Aware Fill turned on, along with the tracker as well. Next, we're going to go to the pen tool. We're going to draw a circle or an ellipse around whatever object that we'd like to mask out. We're going to go down to our timeline and select the arrow to open up some more menu options. We're going to click on the arrow next to mask, and next to mask 1, we're going to select none instead of add so we can see the rest of the video. From here, we're going to drag our playhead to the end of the timeline. And under tracker, we're going to hit the analyze button in reverse. Normally, After Effects does a very good job tracking an item, and there's not really much that you have to do, but because I work so hard to try to keep the shadow out of the frame, I'm going to have to do this a little bit more manual than you will. So I'm gonna fast forward through the section. Perfect. Now under mask, we can change the option from none to subtract, and it's going to leave a hole in your video of the area that we just masked out. I recommend playing your video through just to make sure that the hole has covered up the shadow that we want to get rid of. Under Content Aware Fill, where it has the fill method, I want you to select Object, and for the lighting composition, I want you to choose Subtle. Then under Content Aware Fill, we're going to scroll down to the very bottom and select Generate Fill Layer. We're going to name our layer, and it's going to analyze the frames, and it's going to generatively fill the hole in our video with something that's not a shadow. It's going to look like the surrounding area. It's going to take a little while to analyze and to fill in the empty part of the video, but once it's done, it's going to look like this. That's the end of the informative part of this video. I've been sitting in this car for 12 hours, and I didn't know what else to do. It's taken 23 hours to have my wife's car towed all the way home, and I'm over it. I hope y'all are having a better day than I am, and I cannot wait to take a shower. Hopefully you learned something that you can use to create the life that you want to live. Good night.